Today we're making a whole Cajun garlic butter chicken in the air fryer. We're stuffing seasoned garlic butter underneath the skin and coating the outside with a homemade Cajun spice paste. This one's packed with flavor. Let's start with our Cajun seasoning. Smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, oregano, black pepper, cayenne, and salt. Next, add half of that seasoning to 4 tablespoons of softened butter, along with 4 cloves of grated garlic, and mix until smooth. Take the remaining seasoning and add just enough oil to make a thick paste. Now for the chicken. Remove everything from the cavity and pat the chicken completely dry. Carefully work your fingers underneath the skin, over the breast and thighs to create a pocket. Take your time so you don't tear the skin. Spread the seasoned garlic butter directly onto the meat and under the skin. As the chicken cooks, that butter melts and bastes the meat from the inside. Now spread that Cajun paste all over the outside of the chicken. Don't forget the back, legs, and wings. Next, stuff the cavity with some onion, fresh herbs, and a few lemon wedges. Preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees, give it a light spray of oil, and place your chicken breast side down and cook it for 30 minutes. Now carefully remove the chicken and pour the drippings into an oven-safe bowl. Flip the chicken and place it breast side up. Spoon about half those drippings on the top and return it to the air fryer for another 30 minutes. Now let's check the temperature. This was a pretty big 5-pound chicken, so it was only 145 after the first hour. So I cooked it for about another 12 minutes and it finished at a perfect 165 degrees. And look at that. Juicy, tender, and loaded with Cajun garlic butter flavor. This is definitely not your average grocery store rotisserie chicken. Now hit that like and subscribe button and I'll see you next week.